Hi guys, so this is Julia. So let's just start with the present. I'm gonna tell you some ideas which you can give you to your relatives or friends for holidays, for Christmas and New Year. If you guys didn't know, in Ukraine we celebrate more New Year than Christmas, but I know that Christmas is bigger holiday in your country. Write in the comments what was your favorite present idea. Write in the comments what are you going to present for Christmas to your relatives and friends. But most important is not to forget why do you celebrate Christmas. On Christmas you have to remember the birth of our Savior, of Christ, and that is most important. Thumbs up for this video and don't forget to subscribe. So let's go. First idea is DIY cards. Instead of buying cards in a shop, Instead of buying cards in the shops, you can do it by yourself. Speaking about me, I did these cards on the website called Canva. It is like for design, and you can make some cards there. Also, you can make some advertisement there, and you can use it like this. There are a lot of different functions, plus you can add images you would like to do with, and you can use it. The next thing you can buy is bath and body products. So all the shampoos, gel showers, also some hair masks are going to be good. Even a sponge, especially if you know the person you want to give to need it. So why not? Why not to give a sponge? And this is going to be useful and nice. The next idea is candies. If a person you want to make a present to eats candies or chocolates, just do that for this person. The next idea is a DIY. You can make a DIY presents, for example, cards. Also, you can make a DIY cup, mug. You can buy just a white mug and paint it in some special way. Also, you can make a DIY lip balm, as for example. Moving on to the next idea, and the next idea are socks. Come on, socks are going to be good. A, it is useful. B, nowadays there are lots of super cool and different socks with just an amazing colors and designs, so you can do it. Jewelry present also can be good, and it doesn't really need to be so expensive. You can even make a DIY again, and you can give it to your friends, as for example. Yes. The last idea is organizer or just a notebook. This stuff is useful, and every person needs some notebook to write some notes in. Every person needs to write something, so notebook is also good. So thank you so much for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and thumbs up for this video. Also write in the comments what gifts have you prepared for your relatives and friends for the holidays, for Christmas. Also write in the comments what was your favorite gift idea. So thank you so much for watching, and bye.